Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be talking about the moderate risk for severe weather today, which is honestly one of the highest it's been in over a month. So let's get into it. So for regions of really Virginia, Tennessee, and the sliver, West Virginia, Kentucky, and even up in Maryland, there is a moderate risk of severe weather today. What this is bringing with it is 10% chance of a tornado, which is extremely high. And it's in such a big area, there will be a couple tornadoes, if not an outbreak. It's going to be a big storm moving through. 45% chance of what was it? Wind, severe wind. And then there's also the chance for significant wind in a major region. This is going to take up basically the whole part of Maryland, and it's going to be very bad. We'll see tornadoes popping up anywhere from as low as the sliver of Tennessee all the way up into Pennsylvania, but once again taking up a gigantic chunk of Maryland and just absolutely going to clobber it. So if you live in Maryland or Virginia, for a matter of fact, West Virginia as well, be prepared today. It's going to be a very high risk day, and you will definitely see some form of severe weather. So it's really, honestly, the highest risk we've had in a long time. It's going to take up most of the Appalachians and basically just make it a very bad weather day. Some of the risk will include the 45% chance for significant wind threat, and then the hail threat, which brings a 15% chance through all the way through Tennessee, Alabama, parts of Georgia, all the way up into Maryland and Pennsylvania. And then is the 15% chance for significant hail out here by like Colorado, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma. So be prepared. This is going to be pretty significant day with weather as an aspect of it. Uh, huge slight risk here, and then the enhanced risk with the moderate. I knew looking a couple of days ahead, this was definitely going to be upgraded just because of they're already calling it severe days before it's very notable. So it was either going to become a very bad, which in this case it did, storm, or it was either going to slow down and be like another slight risk. But it really went to worst case scenario. 10% chance of the tornadoes is very bad, along with the wind and hail. These storms will roll through and start to form honestly around noon, but they'll start to roll through in lines and cause major problems. The wind threat, the hail threat, and the tornado threat will all cause around anywhere from like 2 to 10 p.m. at night. These storms will be rolling through. I will be live at some point in the day when I start to see these risks start to really pop up and all the warnings start to really show up on the map. I will be live and streaming all of the major issues. So make sure to check that out. If you live in parts of Maryland, Virginia, maybe even North Carolina, be prepared today. These storms are going to take up very major issues and really won't be good at all for the upcoming weather patterns either. It's going to pretty much stay the same sort of pattern. It'll be slight risk after slight risk after slight risk, and tornado threat after tornado threat after tornado threat. Be safe, stay prepared, and I will be live later today recording and streaming it all. Peace out.